Good morning. Today I start the day with a chocolate orgasm. Who wouldn't want that? Lately I've been starting my day with a green juice, but both of these items, the green juice and this thing, I get at some point in the day on a daily basis anyway. This particular thing I've been drinking since 2009, and it's actually part of a referral-based business that I've been in since 2007. So as it turns out, this is a real shitty sales video. If you'd like to check it out, excuse me, let me sip it first. Or a gulp it. If you would like to check it out, it comes in different flavors. Chocolate, vegan chocolate, this one is vegan chocolate, vanilla, vegan vanilla, a bunch of other flavors too, but I always get this one because I'm a chocolate freak. And it's called Shakeology. So feel free to research it. There's plenty of good reviews, bad reviews. Obviously my review is a good review. Very nutritious. If you know me, you know I'm a health nerd, and I'm very careful about what I put into my body. Check it out. And if you decide you want to try it, get the link from me. Do me the courtesy of, yeah, I heard about it from Tom, so I'm going to get the referral link from Tom, and I will give you my referral company replicated website link, and you can go and you can try it out. In fact, I'll probably just include it in this video. Haven't made any health claims, so I shouldn't be violating any terms and conditions. It might regrow any amputated limb. I'm just kidding. It's not going to do that. So I'll put the link in the description or the comments or wherever. And if you don't see it, just let me know. And if you pick it up, yeah, do me the courtesy. Cheers to your health. Oh, I will plug my website too. Orgasmicpathways.com. I almost forgot my own website. How lame is that? Orgasmicpathways.com. Choose your pathways. Workouts, fitness, health, healthy recipes, healthy grocery lists, lots of music, lots of dancing, all things Tom Birkenmeyer. Bye for now.